So guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samuel Traveler and I travel the world. So have you ever thought of giving back to the community, whether directly or indirectly, without expecting anything in return? So whenever I travel, I try as much as possible to give back to the society and to the community without expecting anything in return. Today's agenda, we are traveling, I am traveling, me and my team, to give back to the society. Not that necessarily with money or building house. We are trying to give back to the society as we try to conserve the environment. I am in Taita Taveta, and most of you know that Taita Taveta is on a hilly region. So you get to know when it rains, a lot of flooding or maybe siltation and culling away of people's homes and people's properties on the low side of the hill. So guys, from here where I stand, you can be able to tell, it's so hilly. We are on a high ridge, there is a low ridge, and then there is another mountain on the other side. So here I am at Zichenyi farm. So I'm here with my team to plant some trees and also to give back to the society as we try to preserve the environment. So maybe you will see me and my team as we try to plant the trees. So let me show you some of the trees that we are going to be planting here. So I have Toesta Ventures Limited. I think this is the the company that is package these seedlings so that they can be resold and they're used for the purpose of planting trees and conserving the environment. So let me try to look for the tree, for the hole where I'm going to plant the tree. And with me here I have someone I want to introduce to you guys. Introduce yourself, madam.
I'm Irene Maganga from Taita Gems. We are here for a tree planting activity. As you can see, we have nice view from here.
Yes.
So we are looking forward to seeing this place become like a forest.
Like a forest.
Somewhere people can come and relax.
Who came up with the initiative of planting trees on this farm? And first tell us where we are at the moment. Like
we are in Voi. This is Mokingali. Voi sub-county. Mr. Victor here is one of our sponsors who sponsored the trip of content creators being here. And now this is piece of land, and he felt it was wise when we start doing tree planting activities, and he said we start with his land.
With his land. Because I was telling my community, this is a part of giving back to the society as we try to conserve the environment. Because, Taita and Voi is on a hilly area. So when it rains, sometimes they experience maybe floods and siltation. So with this initiative,
it means we are helping not only Victor, owner of the land, but all his neighbors.
All his neighbors, yes.
And again, we just started with his land, but we are moving.
Yes.
So it's a free thing we are doing. We are not charging anyone on. Once you call us, we do tree planting. Only for conservation.
Only for conservation. So I think you'll do me the honors, you hold for me as I do, let me try and look for a... Excuse. Maybe in later years I will come and check if my tree grew up or it decided to dry off. Let me see. At the tree. Tell us why So
we are holding.
come closer.
One of the most beautiful. Next time I promise to take you around. We will not stay in the hot area. You'll be staying up. You'll be staying up the hills where you need to be very warm. And Taita Taveta has its own garden.
So guys, when you plant the tree, you have to make sure, you leave a little bit of, a space. If it rains, the water can, what do I call it? Can be collected at the base of this tree to, to make sure it has enough water for it to grow. Right now we have removed from the polythene bag whereby they were served with maybe fertilizers and things like that or manure. Right now they have been taken to the natural habitat, so it has to depend on itself. So that's why I decided to leave a room around here so that when it rains, some water will be collected here and it's going to help this tree to grow in later days. So maybe later I'll come and check if
I have planted 7 already.
That's why I thank you. But this is how I wanted, and next time this is how we're going to do it.
so.
And also to remind you, whenever you remove the cover, keep it to yourself. I'm going to do a head count. If you don't have enough of what I know I'm supposed to have, you'll come back here and look for all the nylon covers. Because I have to go and dispose them. They're not going to stay in this farm. Are we together?
Right.
So this is how you do it. You squeeze the soil inside the packet.
Okay.
To easen up the soil from the cover. All right? And then you take it down. You take it down to the where you want to plant it.
Yeah.
Right? Because once you do that, the soil becomes loose.
Yeah.
Then you cut it out. Most of the time it's recommended, if you have water, you put a bit of water so that it can be a bit soggy. Then it becomes very easy to remove. Most of the time when you do that, then it just comes out by itself instead of tearing it. So once you've done that and you're sure the soil is loose completely from the nylon, then you remove the nylon. Then you cut it out with your hand or whatever apparatus we can use to cut this. Yeah. And once you do that, sorry, it's not wet enough, that's why it's breaking into pieces. Then you take it down where you're supposed to do it. Sorry, it's really coming out badly. But still, it's going its final destination where it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
So we are not worried. Then we normally start with the topsoil. Assuming that's the topsoil. You start with the topsoil as you press it down.
Squeeze it
yes.
to make it firm.
The first 20 I did, some have dried up because I used dry manure from the goat. So it has caused some burning cessation. So some of them have dried up there, which you are going to replace. But we have decided this time around you don't use because the soil is quite fertile.
Yes.
And it's kind of a virgin soil. Nobody has farmed here. So we just leave it at that. And then we pick our Cavera, the nylon. So we're going to do a head count of each.
Yes.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Let's
Okay. A minute. So introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Sam.
Yes, introduce
Thank
yourself.
you. Victor is my name.
What was the idea behind this initiative?
Let's go up there.
We go up there.
Let me show you where we can do another.
Yes. So guys, let's go and
Come we do an interview here.
yes. Oh, you are checking on the view.
Yes.
All right. Zame. So Mzame,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Good, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Asante sana.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Victor Mzame. Humble boy from Rongeju.
From these
From those hills up there. My brand is Kikangenyi.
Kikangenyi.
Yes. Yes, Wanatosha.
So
That's my dad's slogan and brand. So
And
I
brand.
picked it up and I'm running with it.
okay.
Yes.
So let my community first know where we are right now and the reason for this initiative.
Okay. The larger county is called Taita Taveta County.
Yes.
The sub-county is called Voi. The ward is called Mbololo.
Mbololo.
And the village is called Mokingali A. Stroke Shambala Bibi.
Shambala Bibi.
So Mwakingali is the whole of this place, but just a small of it is called Shambala Bibi. So all this is called Shambala Bibi.
Wow.
All the way to that side. It's called Shambala Bibi.
The Shambala Bibi.
Yes.
So for those who speak Swahili, they will translate what Shambala Bibi means. Yes. So on this land, is it an ancestral land? Is it a land that you bought, or
This is a land I acquired in the process, and I looked at it and I liked it because of the scenario involved, and also loved the place for maybe some tourist attraction.
Yes.
And I thought the need of planting trees so that my neighbors can also adopt the need of planting trees. We all know the reasons why you plant trees.
Yes.
But now, until you do an initiative, some houses have already planted their trees.
Okay.
But I also want to set the initiative to run with it. That's why I have the Mzee wa Kijiji, the in charge old man of this area.
Yes.
The man in charge of this area.
Yes.
He's here with me because I told him I need you to meet my visitors as well and bless the job, because you can tell the rest about it. So as we move on, I need to change the environment and make the place look beautiful and also attractive.
Yes, for the same reason, whenever you go to a new joint or a new place, you want to leave it better than you found it.
Or even stay in it better than you found it.
Even better than you found it.
Yes.
So, you mentioned that you acquired this land. What made you acquire a land on a low-key hill, or people want to maybe on a low land whereby it's green, or maybe it has accessibility, but
my rural village or where I come from is higher than here.
Oh, so this is just
those are the hills.
Those hills, those
up
ones.
there. That's where I come from.
What?
That's where I come from. It's 1900 feet above sea level. It is higher than here. So I think I've not been able to stay on the ground. I still need to stay afloat.
Up here.
So when I saw this, I was like, perfect for me.
Now this is perfect for you.
This is good for me. So I'm planning also, as I said, to make it a touristic attraction, and just to see that guys love the place and I get visitors to come around and stuff like that.
So you have mentioned one initiative is conserve the environment, benefit the society, and also the main one, you want to have it as a tourist attraction.
Yes, please. I want to have it as a tourist attraction. I want the local people to benefit. I want to alleviate poverty. I want to interact with my neighbors.
Yes.
Get to know them, where the problem is. If there's no problem, how can we work together and just make this place a different place altogether.
So you're planning to build some cabins here.
Those are my plans.
Those are your plans.
Yeah, to build some cabins, so that now when I have guests, already we have the road going up.
Yes.
Now, that's the route where I park the car.
Oh wow.
There's a beautiful scenario on the other side.
Okay.
Which sees Voi town on the other side.
Oh, I hope you're gonna
really
go.
Beautiful.
We're gonna go there and see the Voi.
I will really love to.
Yes.
In fact, I wanted the motorbike guys to take you up there.
Up there.
Then you come down. So that you see on the other side. But we can quickly rush there before we.
Yeah. We're gonna have to go and finish up planting these trees.
Yes.
We don't want the rain to catch up with us, because this is a hill area and the rain is coming any minute. So we're gonna have to go and finish planting the trees, and then we go and see the view.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, and remember guys, this is his name. This is his name, Mzame. What does Mzame mean, by the way?
I don't know the meaning of Mzame. I'll be very honest with you.
You know, we are given names in the society, but we don't know how they mean, what they mean.
Yes, totally.
Okay, so
that's a palm tree.
That's a palm tree?
Yeah.
All right. So guys, I told you, I have
while he's fixing his
I have other people that my team, my sister.
What's up? Shami Vlog Gia, creator from Kampala, Uganda. This place, there's no lights.
Yeah.
So, hey guys, this is Shami Vlog Gia, creator from Kampala, Uganda, and I'm proud of myself because right now I am in Taita Taveta. I just washed my hands, by the way. That is my tree. Even the other side, I have another tree. Even there, I even wrote my name. You can go and check.
Okay.
So, Shami Vlog Gia.
What do you
has
think of this
contributed
initiative?
to the environment.
What do you think of this initiative?
This is so good because first of all, when I was coming, I thought about the people down there. If they don't plant trees here, of course there may be a landslide or something like that. We're not calling for it, but the rocks are so insane here. So if we plant trees here to prevent the soil erosion. So, thank you.
Alberto.
Hey, lady.
Bagire. Okay. I'll carry back. No worries. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you guys. This is called Shambala Bibi. Shambala Bibi means farm for the wife or a land for the wife. Shambala Bibi.
Wife's land.
Bibi is wife. Shamba is land. Yes. But basically just
I made it to the top of Shambala Bibi.
yes.
I planted trees. I had an amazing
Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for coming. Really
So guys,
yeah.
nimefika
I'll catch
juu.
up with you in church, eh?
Nimefika mahali kunaitwa Shamba la Bibi hapa Taita, and I have planted trees. As you can see, my hands are dirty. I've planted approximately 5 trees. So this is Taita, Voi town. They're dropping down. I'm gonna show you how it looks like from up here. So let's go.
For them it's no more. Mr. Boss, you have left. Let's go. Yeah.
I need to be there by 4.
What is it?
Today you're going to Uganda.
I'm so happy to be at the top of Shambala Bibi. Yes, our home is just around there,
Down there.
Yes, and I've planted so many trees, me being an environmentalist. Thank you.
What do you want people to know about Taita?
Sorry?
What do you want people to know about Taita, especially
Taita is a
as a
very-
Titan
lady.
Titan lady.
That is very beautiful. You should come and visit.
Yeah, as beautiful as.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's.
Here.
So guys, we want to go. Yes, we need water.
Please, we need water.